Now, you might be interested in using or utilizing AI here to build your Wix website. Well, this one is quite easy. Now, the thing with building your Wix website using AI is whenever you start creating a new site, by the way, this is my Wix account. Let's go ahead and start creating one. As an example, let's go and click on create new site at the top right here. Let's go and choose the option here that says, um, let's go and just choose the use Wix editor here. That should redirect you to another tab, which should create or allow you to access the bring your ideas to life with AI. So if you want to use or utilize AI here to start building your website, let's go and choose start chat. Now the key thing about this one is you just need to enter your answers to the following question. So tell me what your site is all about. Now I'm going to say this is going to be a website about my photography projects, and let's just press enter. Now depending on your answer here, they will start customizing this one further. So it's going to start generating the response here. What's the name of your photography website? So for the name, I'm going to say there's going to be the name for it, and it's going to just press enter. And again, you just need to answer a bunch of questions that they have in here. Now, the more specific you are, the better the result is going to be. Like, what type of content would you showcasing in here? So mostly content about nature. Just press enter. Now it's going to say, or it's going to give you this option: site portfolio, site type, site apps. So it's going to automatically recommend you that. And do you have any additional goals, like selling? So let's just say there's going to be hosting blogs. Now obviously you could go ahead and add whatever you want, like if you want to show videos further, or if you want to add like YouTube videos as well, you can go and specify that. But I'm going to just add like hosting blogs here, so that the site apps would also be updated. So it already has a blog in here. So what is the unique selling point of a major program over here? Mostly about mountains. So yeah, so just press enter here, and again answer all the questions here. Now it's going to say go to dashboard. It's going to click on go to dashboard. It's going to start preparing your website. It might take a while here. It's going to generate all those stuff for you. And the great thing about this one, you don't there's minimal interaction, so it's just going to build your website for you. But once it's actually done, as you can see right now, this is now your website. Now, if you want to design your website, you can go and just click on design site at the top right. Obviously, you still need to set up your information here, versus email, your blog, and whatever. Let's go and click on design site at the top right, and let's go and just choose one. Now, you can either generate a template, choose a customized template here, or again, you could go and use AI. Let's go and click on create a design. Now it's going to load up their AI tool for designing your website. Let's just wait for a while. And it will do its own analysis here. Start by generating a site brief and site version of your site. So it's going to start generating a design for us. Again, it might take a while because it's the AI is still analyzing the details that you provided before. So let's just wait for it to fully finish here. Now, once it's actually done, as you can see here, now you can go and either tweak the design or regenerate the design, so whatever you want in here. But for now, let's go and click on the tweak design option here, and that should allow you to further customize or basically tweak your design here for a bit. And now, if you want to start designing it, you can go and click on design with this design. And from here, you could go and just follow the steps here to fully set it up. So you could either set it up with a domain that you want, or you could go and just continue with to the editor or set up your business. So whatever way you want. Now, in here, the great thing about this one is it's going to be fully customizable. You can still access the same tools like before, and basically have your website fully set up. So again, it will load up. But once it's actually loaded up, you'll have the same add elements, add section, pages and menu, and same old tools that you could use or utilize here inside Wix. And here it is. So this is your AI generated website. So fully designed for you. So you just need to edit a few things there. Like for example, if you want to edit the section here, your vector art, your logo or whatever, just make sure to click on save and publish at the top right so that your changes will be saved. And also just another thing. So let's go and just click on the section here side. Let's go to our dashboard here. And also inside your dashboard, there is still a way for you to utilize AI here, just in case you get lost. So at the top right, you have AI chats. You go and select that, and you can just choose or allow your AI or your Astro here, your AI assistant, to assist you with certain or if you have questions inside your Wix website, this is how you do it. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.